I'm going to show you the step-by-step way of just simply requesting a renter's insurance quote. So you go to the Google and you go to the address bar and you type in Waller Insurance Agency. And you notice, of course, it's in the system. Yours may not show up like that, but it's wallerinsuranceragency.com. So you navigate there, and then what you're going to find is you're going to find my website. And there's some pretty cool features on here, but the one I want to focus on is where it says get quotes. Okay. And so if you want a renter's insurance quote, you just have to navigate over to this get quote feature. And then it's going to give you all these tabs for all the different types of insurances that we offer. But for this one, we're talking about renter's insurance. So you're going to click here and you notice it's just simple form that says request a quote. So you're going to say Jane Doe. Phone number 717-123-4567. Of course, you're going to put your email in. You're going to put your information in. Email at gmail.com. And then just give me comments. Would like a free, no obligation renter's quote. Thanks. Now, of course, that's not necessary, but it would help us to understand what you were reaching out for. You hit the submit button and thank you, and then we'll take it from here. Probably you're going to get a text message or an email requesting some basic information from you so that we can run a quote for you. Again, no obligation, and thank you so much for navigating, and we can't wait to serve you and hopefully save you some money. Thanks. Bye-bye.